Hello everyone. I know it's my second live 2 days in a row. That's strange. But yesterday I did live about a 30-day to healthy lifestyle, healthy living program. And I got several questions, like questions and comments. What is the fizz? So yesterday I put my fizz into the glass in front of you guys without any explanation. I just took a sip like this and I started. I didn't explain what is it. Later on during the live, you heard again about energy Fizz Sticks, and it's exactly the same thing. We have two different flavors, citrus and pomegranate. And since I've got questions like comments, what is this fizz? What is this for? And I don't blame you. That's the best thing in the entire program, I would say. So without them, I can't live. It's like, it's my coffee. That's the first thing, because I don't drink coffee and I wasn't a coffee drinker when I got into the healthy lifestyle at all. So that's nothing that I had to replace, but people do replace coffee with energy Fizz Sticks. So it's 11:30 and my dog woke me up and she's looking at me wanting something. So she woke me up today at 4:30 in the morning. Like, that barely happens. Stuff happens, but that barely happens. Normally I get up at 5 and about 12 and 1 p.m. I need second Fizz Sticks. So that's my second one for today. But she woke me up like 30 minutes before my typical wake up. I was really surprised. 5 in the morning, she was already out. And I didn't go to bed anymore. I had my morning Fizz Stick, and I will make probably a separate live about that, because in the morning I drink like a complete kick and vitamin boost and all that stuff in the morning. So I will just make a separate video about that. But it's 11:30 and I need my second fizz. Normally my second fizz is 16 ounces of water in one pouch. They are like this. So everything goes to the glass and 16 ounces of water. So it will kick in about 10-15 minutes and I have a boost of energy. I'm fine going all the way down through the day. I normally don't take the third one, and I go to bed about 9-10 p.m. Sometimes later, but that's my typical wanting to go to bed time. So lately, like since last Thursday, I think, sometime about last week, ARBONNE gave us 16 new products, and one of them is a whole food blend multivitamin and mineral boost. That is amazing, guys. It is no more pills. You don't have to take any more vitamins like a pill, any kind of medications. You have everything you need in a powder. It smells, I would say, but it contains everything body needs for daily, I don't know how to say it in English properly, daily size of vitamins and minerals. So in here, there's all the explanation, what's inside, how much of what is inside. If anyone wants to get that, let me know. I will just message you a whole list of what inside and how much that is. But since we've got that, and I am using ARBONNE product, like whatever that is, I'm on it. I decided I will be putting the vitamin boost to my fizz. You can connect that stuff, and that's pretty easy. So it requires 4 ounces of water, 4 or 8. I don't even remember now. I just done it yesterday, and I it's 8. Yeah, it's 8 ounces of water. That is correct. So I take my fizz that is already, you know, mixed and divide it for 2, and I will put my vitamins in here just in a second. Let me explain a little bit more about this energy Fizz Stick. So this will kick in pretty quick. But energy Fizz Stick is something that really nicely replaces coffee. Or first of all, if you really need to drink coffee, we'll talk about it later, but it for sure replaces every single energy drink that is on the market. In this energy drink, you have barely 2 grams of sugar. You have riboflavin, niacinamide, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, chromium, which is very important for our health, sodium, potassium. You have the caffeine that comes from guarana seed and green tea leaves. So that caffeine that I'm getting and the kick that I'm getting, it's coming from totally different stuff than coffee, and it's not addictive. Coffee, it's addictive. Plus coenzyme Q10, there is a lot more in it. It's a bunch of vitamins and minerals as well in it, but the main thing that is really, really good with energy Fizz Stick is the energy you're getting. You're getting it for sure from vitamin B12 as well as caffeine from guarana and green tea leaves. So this is something that I will drink in the middle of the day when I need the pick-me-up. I just need it. She woke me up too early. Whatever reason that is, if the weather is not good, if, I don't know, I have a headache, or pretty much feeling sluggish, I take Fizz Stick and I just get the energy. So this is the fizz I was sharing at the beginning, and I didn't give any more explanation about it. So what about that? Since that was created, and this is on the market, like on Thursday will be a week, or 2 weeks already. I'm telling you, time flies. I take 1 spoon, because that is a powder. You don't have to use any more pills with any vitamins or minerals that you need. So I take 1 spoon. Let me just make it sure it's full spoon. And I put it into my fizz, and I switched between 2 bottles just because. Hi Batka, you love it? Thank you so much. So I put it into regular shaker bottle because that powder, I wanna make sure it's mixed. It's just broken down and not building any chunks in my drink. So that's why I use shaker cup to mix it. And that's my kick in during the day, in the middle of the day when I need the energy. And I know for sure I can mix it with vitamins. It will be like even lunchtime right now. I can eat something. I can drink it, I can have a lunch, you know, and having vitamins with food is also important. It's even better. So probably I will dig into the fridge and find some veggies and mix some salad for myself. But overall, that's the main thing I need right now. I feel sluggish. I need energy. I need the boost. So I hope that explains a little bit of the short information you got yesterday on my life about what's the fizz. If you still have some questions, or you want to see like information about the ingredients from vitamins or this, or you have questions about the 30-day to healthy lifestyle program, just message me. Like I got messages yesterday, it worked perfectly. I can explain, I can shoot you a picture of whatever you want to know more, and I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.